How to fix Red Dead Online server error 0x20010006/0x20010006/0x20010004. Here are some tips that would help you fix Red Dead Online server error 0x40003002/0x20010006/0x99350000/0x20010004. 1. Restart your Red Dead Online game. Back up your router settings. Then reset it. 2. For router-based players, try enabling QoS and changing NAT type in your router admin page. 3. For PS5/PS4 players, rebuild your game database. 4. For Windows players, update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.